Dragon 9709, turn right 8250, intercept localized. 9709, 2 miles from Jimbo, maintain 4000 south localizer, turn right left runway 27 approach. Wing 1857, turn left heading 360, set maintain 4000. United 1004, Chicago Approach, thank you, sliding 120, vector runway 27 center. Dragon 9709, reduce speed to 170, engine match Bristol, connector tower Bristol 120.75. Spring 1857, turn left heading 300, intercept runway 27, center localized. Aircraft 8 anticipation, Juliet now turn at O'Hare, wind 020 at 8, visibility 7, ceiling, overcast 2,700, temperature 2, dew point -2, oil 783 foot. Sorry, 18 Mike Heavy, descend to maintain 4,000. Spring 1857, descend to maintain 3,000, maintain presence. Growing 1857, as you descend, you may see traffic, 9 o'clock, 6 miles, northbound. They're working flight check, King Air 2,200, doing some air work. They're doing arc for runway 28 center, so you may see him sometime. Sorry, 18 Mike Heavy, sliding 240, intercept runway 27 center localized. Brewing 1857, 7 miles from Bristol, maintain 3,000 till Chavez localizing, clear out left runway 27 center, approach, speed your discretion. United 1586, Chicago Approach, thank you, sliding 120 for runway, vector for runway 27 center, and Juliet center. Brewing 1857, connector tower 120.75. Sorry, 18 Mike Heavy, maintain 200 knots or greater. United 1004, reduce speed to 250, then descend to maintain 7,000. Sorry, 18 Mike Heavy, thank you. And 8 miles from Jimbo, cleared eye left runway 27 center approach. Maintain 200 knots or greater for now. Sorry, 18 Mike Heavy, speed is your discretion, connector tower at Bristol, 120.75. United 1586, reduce speed to 250, then descend to maintain 7,000. United 1586, reduce speed to 250, then descend to maintain 7,000. United 1004, flighting 100, descend to maintain 4,000.
Approach flight check 68, you got it, a minute?
Yes sir, go ahead.
So we're going to do one more arc from Zero Echo to Zero Alpha, then we need a final flight inspection low approach recorded run full length of the runway, followed by an IFR back to Battle Creek.
Check 68. Roger, thank you very much. Data 1586, descend to maintain 4,000. United 1004, reduce speed to 210, base turn short. United 1004, turn right heading 180. Data 1586, maintain 210 knots or greater. Data 1586, flighting 100. Data 1004, turn right heading 250, intercept those times. Base on our 248 Heavy, Chicago Approach, expect runway 27 center. United 1004, 3 miles from Jimbo, maintain 4,000 till South localizer, clear out left runway 27 center approach. United 1004, thank you, and maintain 170 knots or greater to Bristol. United 1586, turn right heading 180. Stage on a 248 Heavy, flighting 120 vector to final, descend and maintain 10,000. United 1004, connector tower at Bristol, 120.75. United 1586, you can slow as much as you like now. Stage on a 248 Heavy, speed is your discretion. United 1586, turn right 250, intercept localized. United 1586, 4 miles from Jimbo, maintain 4,000, no stops, localizer, clear ILS runway 27, center approach.
Approach, flight check 68.
Flight check 68, Chicago, go ahead.
Complete with the arcs, we'd like to go outside of Hazel at 2,800 and do the final flight inspection low approach recorded run.
Flight check 68, thank you, all this is tower no, and altitude your discretion, maintain VFR, and resume our navigation.
Flight check 68, Wilco. There's a possibility we might need a local IFR just for the beginning of this, we'll let you know.
Okay, very good. Under 1586, maintain 17 knots or greater to Driscoll, connector tower Driscoll 120.75. Flight check 68, I've got traffic at the beam Hazel right now, so I may have to bend you out just a little bit. Stage on a 248 Heavy, descend and maintain 7,000. 291, Chicago Approach, thank you. Expect runway 27 center. Flight check 68, thank you very much. You can contact your tower 120.75. Flight check 68, connect your tower 120.75.
Flight check 68, switch to the tower, talk to you in a bit.
1075, Chicago Approach, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to get Juliet, and expect runway 27. 1075, runway 27 center. Stage on a 248 Heavy, flighting 110. United 1075, flighting 120, vector runway 27 center. Stage on a 248 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000. Polaris 291, descend and maintain 7,000, maintain 250 knots.
United 1075, maintain 250 knots, and descend and maintain 7,000. Asiana 248 Heavy, turn right heading 180. Asiana 248 Heavy, turn right heading 250, intercept the runway 27 center, localizer. Asiana 248 Heavy, you're about 2 miles from Jimbo, maintain 4,000 until established, cleared ILS runway 27 center approach. United 1075, turn left heading 110. 291, descend and maintain 4,000. Asiana 248 Heavy, maintain 170 knots or faster until Driscoll. You can connect tower now on 120.75. United 1075, reduce your speed to 210 knots or less. 291, turn left heading 360, maintain 210 knots. United 1075, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 4,000. Polaris 291, turn left heading 300, intercept the runway 27 center, localize. United 1075, reduce your speed to 180 knots or less.